Acapulco, Guerrero, Mexico, October 25, 2023. Where a dangerous Category 5 storm is starting to hit and will cause massive damage.
Movió las lanchas de hasta acá arriba.
Hurricane Otis started moving ashore near Acapulco late Tuesday as a Category 5 storm, presenting a nightmare scenario for southern Mexico as it threatens to cause catastrophic damage with destructive winds, heavy rainfall, and dangerous storm surge, forecasters say. Otis eye wall is moving ashore near the beach resort town, the National Hurricane Center said overnight. The storm was backing winds of 165 miles per hour with higher gusts, while its core was about 30 miles southeast of Acapulco as it moved north-northwest at 9 miles per hour. Mexican president implored coastal residents of the state of Guerrero, which includes Acapulco, to seek shelter and stay away from rivers, streams, and ravines ahead of the storm's landfall. A hurricane warning is in effect for coastal Punta Maldonado westward to Zihuatanejo. A hurricane watch and tropical storm warning are also active from Lagunas de Chacahua to Punta Maldonado. Otis' primary threats are damaging winds, heavy rainfall, and dangerous storm surge as it barrels toward Acapulco, home to roughly 800,000 people. This is an extremely serious situation for the Acapulco metropolitan area with the core of the destructive hurricane. Likely to come near or over that large city early on Wednesday, the Hurricane Center said late Tuesday. There are no hurricanes on record even close to this intensity for this part of Mexico. Hurricane Otis is also create threatening surf and rip current conditions. Hurricane force winds extend outward up to 30 miles from the center, while tropical storm force wind extend outward up to 70 miles, the Hurricane Center explained. Those winds are forecast to combine with a potentially catastrophic storm surge that could cause threatening coastal flooding near where it's forecast to make landfall Wednesday morning. Near the coast, the surge will be accompanied by large and destructive waves, the Hurricane Center said. Additionally, between 8 to 16 inches of rain totals are expected through the end of the week, with some areas seeing up to 20 inches of rain. The heavy rainfall could lead to flash and urban flooding, as well as mudslides in higher terrain areas, the Hurricane Center warned. This has been rapidly intensifying throughout Tuesday, gaining 80 miles per hour in a 12-hour period. It became the fastest intensifying hurricane in Eastern Pacific history. For context, rapid intensification for hurricane means the storm's maximum sustained winds increase by at least 35 miles per hour in 24 hours or less. If Otis makes landfall as Category 5 hurricane, it could be the first Category 5 landfall for the East Pacific according to NOAA Hurricane Database. The previous strongest landfall was Hurricane Patricia in 2015, which made landfall as a Category 4 hurricane with winds of 150 miles per hour. Unlike Otis, which is forecast to make landfall close to a major urban area, Patricia plowed through a sparsely populated and mountainous stretch of the coast, sparing Puerto Vallarta and Manzanillo. And while Patricia hit the coast as Category 4 storm, it quickly degenerated and left a narrow path of severe damage in its wake, according to the National Hurricane Center. Otis is forecast to remain a Category 5 hurricane when its center reaches the coast Wednesday. Rapid weakening is likely after landfall. The NHC said Otis will continue on a north-northwest motion over the next few days. On that current forecast track, the center of Otis will reach the southern coast of Mexico by early Wednesday.
Están durísimos.
A hurricane warning was being issued along the southern coast of Mexico from Punta Maldonado westward to Zihuatanejo, including the city of Acapulco. A hurricane watch and tropical storm warning are in place for Lagunas de Chacahua to Punta Maldonado. A broad area of low pressure is likely to form over the far eastern Pacific in a couple of days, partially related to remnants of Atlantic Tropical Depression 21, which are forecast to move into the region.
Está muy duro. Ciérrale, amigo, ciérrale.
Environmental conditions could support some slow development of the system by late this week or this weekend, while the low moves slowly westward to west-northwestward, the NHC said. Formation chance through the next week is medium. Acapulco is a city of more than 1 million people at the foot of state mountains.